How's it going, everyone? Today I just got the Stockholm IKEA mirror, the round one. It's one of my favorites. I'll show you why in a little bit. Not only that, but I'm going to show you not one but two ways, really easy, simple ways of how to hang this mirror up, and that goes along with picture frames and everything else you want to hang up. Really easy ways, because I know some people actually struggle to find the right holes, and even when they measure, they kind of, you know, they're off by a couple centimeters here and there, and it just doesn't look right. So I'm going to show you not one but two easy ways to set this up without drilling 2 or 3 holes or anything like that, and without messing up. Stay tuned. And there it is. Let me take a closer look for you. It has a beautiful, as it goes down, it has a beautiful kind of, you can use this as a shelf to put rings or your watch or maybe even a cell phone or your keys or anything like that, which is very nice. Let me show you a little bit of the side view here. See, it starts really thin in the top, and then as it goes down, it gets wider and wider, creating that little shelf here for you. It's very nice. So unfortunately, this mirror does not come with any instructions on how to hang it, which then again, I don't really think it's necessary, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first and most common way to go ahead and hang this up without making any mistakes, and you just do it one time, and it's very simple. So what you're gonna need is a pencil, marker, Sharpie, one of these to mark things, crosshead screwdriver. You're gonna need a couple of anchors with screws, some Scotch tape, and for the other trick, some thumbtacks. I'll show you how these work in a little bit. And then the very last thing, obviously, is you need a level. So let's get to it. Okay, so to start with, this is gonna be the first of the two easy ways. So first thing you wanna do is get some Scotch tape here. Put them over the 2 holes here where you're supposed to hang the mirror from. Make sure you get one long enough piece to cover both of these holes. There you go. And then with your marker, make sure this is straight and flat. With your marker, you just want to mark the center of each hole. There you go. And then the next thing you want to do is you basically take it off of here. So once you have that, the tape already marked, you want to kind of put it at whatever height you want it. Make sure it's completely flat. Try to even it out as best as possible, but you always want to double check it with a level here. You want to do it where the marks are at, where you pointed the 2 marks. You want to make sure that's leveled. And it looks like it is right there. It's completely leveled. Okay, perfect. First try. Nice. Okay. And you want to grab these anchors here. Make sure you just mark them first. There you go. There you go. You want to mark them right where you have the where you marked the black dots on the tape. And then you can just remove the tape, and you have your 2 points right there. There you go. Okay, doesn't appear to have a stub there. Here's my next hole. Nope, No stud there either. Okay, I just missed it. Awesome. So in this case, I am going to be using these anchors. You want to press tightly here. There you go. There you go, there's my first one, here's my second one. Now time to screw in the screws here. As you can see, I didn't put any markings on the walls, no pencil marks or pencil or pens or anything like that, because I'm pretty picky about my work. And nobody wants to have marks on the walls, right? So as you screw these in, just want to leave them about right there. You hear a little snap, and that's because on the back end of that plastic anchor, it just snapped and it opened up, it widened to grab the sheetrock of the other side of the wall. Right here is where you can hear the little snap. There it is. Not sure if you were able to capture that or hear that. There we go. Okay. Now you just want to line these up using the back here of your fingers. Touch the head of the screws. There we go. Now for the second shortcut, this is very easy. If you don't want to go this route, what you do here is, there's no measuring involved. You want to grab these thumbtacks, set them right here inside with some masking tape. Just want to set them in place, make sure that they don't move. Just like that. Let me do a close-up here. So first you want to set it in place so it can be like that. You just want to set it right in the hole, and then just put masking tape like that, having the pointing edge pointing out towards you. It's very easy. The only problem with this is that this one, you don't really know if it's leveled or not, unless you know for sure, right? You already have it marked. So another option is, shortcut is, these would be your point indicators. What you want to do is just, with your fingers here, be careful not to poke yourself. You just basically touch them on the top and the bottom, not the pointy side, just the top and the bottom. And then you want to, once you like it and you see the height, for example, you can just press on it. And once it captures, just push on it. Once you push on it all the way flush, those will be your indicators of where the holes need to be, or where you need to put the screw. And it's very easy. And then when you're done, mount it again and just easily take these off. So this is how it looks when it's all nice and done. Again, I'm going to change out the little table, side table as the entrance. Let's see here. Looks very nice. It's right in my entryway. That's right where all the shoes and everything is going to be. And there is me. That's how it looks on the side. By doing it this easy way, you know it's perfectly leveled at the height that you want it. It's flush with the wall. As you can see, there's no gaps. So it's not wobbly or anything like that. Last thing you want with anything that's glass, because it can fall and break. And there's ultimately no marks or anything like that on the wall. Once you take it off, it's just those 2 screws and that's it. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Till next time, stay tuned for my next video. Peace.